Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. So today we are going to see a new important topic about our JJP automation moneymaker indicator. So we are going to see the full backtest and what are all the criterias included with the automation and how to do the automation process. Totally we are going to discuss and what are all the backtest till now our strategy has been given and how our strategy is going to work for the future market. Totally we will be discussing in this video. So watch this video till the end, and in the previous videos also we have posted more informations about our automated moneymaker strategy. So if you want to know more details about the strategy, you just watch this video first of all. So this is the first video we have posted about our strategy for automation and how the backtest is going on, what is the overview and net profit result. Totally we have discussed in this video, as well as continuously the second video we have posted this video. So this video you will be getting the details about how to do the automation and what are all the procedures for automation, everything we have discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end, then only you can understand how the strategy is working till date and how the strategy is going to work for the future market. Totally about our Nifty strategy today I am going to talk about. So watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So first of all, I will be opening our strategy JJP automated moneymaker. So I have included the strategy right now. So this is what you can do the automation with Nextdoor bot as well as TradeRound platform. So once you are want to get access with the strategy, first of all we need to know the full backtest result of our strategy. So as the previous videos, the two videos we have discussed how the strategy performance is giving and how much trades has been taken, what are all the drawdown ratio and what is the largest trading hit ratio, everything we have seen detailedly. So one thing we need to understand as an automation, if you are an automation trader, so first of all I will be disabling our indicator. So as a basic trader we need to know how the strategy, whatever the strategy we are going to implement, we don't know about the backtest of the strategy first of all. So till now how the market has been reacted for our strategy and how the market is going to react in the future market. So we could not analyze this based on our each and everyday trading. We could not do that. So if you want to do a each and everyday analysis, at least you can do for week or at least you can do for a month. But as a yearly wise, we could not see the full backtest of our strategy. Whatever strategy you are using, at least any moving average crossover and this much points is my target. So this much points is my stop loss. So everything we have designed as an automated strategy. So this strategy will be providing you the backtest throughout the market for the past whatever the candles is available for trading you. Right now we are getting the result. So then only we can analyze that this strategy is perfectly okay for you to implement throughout your lifetime. So if you are just seeing a strategy and if in any YouTube video or if you are learning any strategy, you should not blindly understand that strategy as a perfect strategy for your investment growth. If you want to make any investment in stock market, so you need to know the knowledge about the strategy, the particular strategy which is giving a good result year by year, or how the strategy is giving you the performance. So totally we need to see the performance of the strategy, so that only the strategy need to be implemented as any indicator like this. So and our indicator will be showing you the backtest for every trade entry. So whatever the trades we have analyzed in live market, and once we are going to take the entry, we are fixing stop loss, target and exiting the position at some points. So every details we are going to exit the position. So right now currently we have done another update that we have updated our trailing stop loss in the input itself, and right now you will be getting the profit for target booking, and you can use the stop loss and target. Otherwise you can use our trailing stop loss. So right now this is what the best setup for our automated moneymaker strategy Nifty. So Nifty right now you can see, right now we are getting 90 points as a target. So 90 points if we get a target, then only as per the back test we are getting a good result. So that we have fixed 90 points as a default and 0.3% trailing stop loss for the Nifty. Okay. As well as we have also posted the month by month result of our Nifty in our Telegram channel. So I will be also showing that. So first of all you need to understand, right now we are getting 5669 points for the past 1 year of Nifty. So So now you can calculate into a lot size. So if you want to calculate as a lot size, you can multiply this point into 50, then only you will be getting the result of the lot size. So as per the strategy, you need to understand how the strategy is running first of all. So before implementing, you need to have the buffer investment, and how the buffer investment you need to calculate is. So right now these are the last trades at which the Nifty is performing. So it is giving only small points as a target. But even though our strategy is in a good profit ratio, just see how the strategy is working first of all. So even though if the market is continuously hunting, you need to calculate whether what is the risk for this strategy first of all. So continuously you can see this much trades has been hit at a stop loss, even though we need to be wait more patiently to investment for this strategy. If you are doing manual trades, we could not analyze this type of losses and risk involved for every strategy. We could not do any analysis, but right now as a strategical back test, we are getting the list of trades, how much trade is continuously hunting for our strategy. So this list of trades also we have posted in our Telegram channel. If you want to go with more detailedly about our strategy, first of all join our Telegram channel right now, and you just download the list of trades first of all. So once you download the list of trades, you just see the back test how much trades has been continuously hunted. So almost 234 points has been hunted for Nifty. So right now, so as a basic investment, we will be having two lots for 50. Nifty for Nifty, you need to have two lots as an investment. Then only you can implement for options same as it is the index point. If you want to capture, then surely you should have two lots in your demat for options. So the same result then only you will be getting with the Nifty, the same strategical performance. Right now we are seeing 5,669 points. If you want to achieve these points, then surely you should have two lots investment as a basic investment to start our strategy. And once you implement, what are all the risk we are going to get? So for this calculation, you just do how much points continuously hit it. So according to this, we have finally finalized that maximum of 250 points also might be hitted in your demat. So continuously this much of has been hitted in the historical market. So as per this only we are going to keep the buffer investment. So for this, if you can calculate with the 50. So this is what the lot size. So I have calculated. So 12,500. So 15,000 might be your extra buffer to in your demat. So if you are having 15 as per the Nifty trade entry for options, you can do the trades for one lot with just with 7 to 8,000. You can do the trades for Nifty. If you are doing with two lots, then almost for 15,000 you can do with two lots for Nifty. And the buffer investment, you should have 15,000 extra in your demat, and you need to be more patient in implementing the strategy first of all. If you are doing any strategical investment, surely you should be more patient and wait for the month by month end to see the result. If any month is ending up with a loss also, you should be more patient, because our strategy is giving the backtest totally for year wise. So 5,669 points is a big point which we have obtained through the automation indicator. So we are not implementing our emotions, we are not giving any emotions, and we are not executing the trade with a small profit. So every profit and loss risk reward ratio totally we have done with the strategy. So once you do the implementation of this strategy, you should be more patient and wait until your demat is getting max risk of 15,000. Also you should be more patient and implement this strategy. So continuously you can see how the strategy is performing. In the Telegram channel we have posted, in the previous Saturday we have posted about our. So right now if you search for JJP Trading Academy Telegram channel, you can join our Telegram channel right now. And in our Telegram channel we have pinned the message for our automation moneymaker strategy performance totally. So if you click on the pinned message, you will be getting our backtest result. Totally we are posting the Nifty performance first of all. So if you see with the Nifty October performance is 533 points has been met with October. So this is the first month we are calculating for the backtest, that is 2021. So 533 points has been achieved for the month end. So this is what the performance continuously you can see. It is ending up with just as a minimum, you can see 137 points has been met with November 2021. Okay, so this is point. So right now if you want to calculate for the investment, then multiply with 50 to get that two lot of options and one lot of index points. So then only you can calculate what is the profit has been gained by the strategy. So right now I'm just showing you the points. So this is the point result. So multiply with 50 to get the result for one lot, and you just see for December month 2021 406 points. So like this gradually the strategy is giving a good result month by month. So this is a good and perfect strategy to implement for automation. If you are implementing for automation also, it's okay, otherwise you can do a manual trade according to this strategy. Totally the strategy is giving a good result with a nifty gradual growth. So right now you can see 603 points has been made with January month 2022, and February month 724 points, and in the March month you can see 953 points in a single month it has taken. So this is how we need to be more patient. At which month the market will give a good movement we could not analyze, but the strategy could say that it is gradual growth with the year end also, and month by month end also it is giving a ending up with the profit. So this is what you should see about the strategy. As a deep back testing, you can see totally how the strategy is performing throughout the years. So right now you can see, so if you have taken the entry for March month, totally if you have implemented our strategy, so 953 points has been reached, so that you'll be getting for two lots of option itself 47,650. Your investment for options is how much? 30,000. So right now you are getting 47,650 as a profit in the single month itself. So this is how you should see the strategy performance. You should not be more faster in intraday trade itself. It is losing. So like this, you should not see month by month. You should see as well as month by month. If it is a month, if this month is giving a minimum growth, even though we should be more patient as an investor and get the good points in the in the Nifty. Okay. So right now you can see these are all the next month by month performance we have posted in our Telegram channel, as well as previous list of trades also we have posted. First of all, do the back test, and right now you can get access with our indicator right now. And once you're done with the getting access with the indicator, you can connect your broker with Nextallbot as well as TradeTron platform right now. So if you are having any other doubts, you can watch the previous two videos. Then only you can understand how to do the automation setup, and we will be giving you the full support to do the automation setup, and you can go with the live market. And right now these are all the package details of our automation moneymaker strategy, the same as it is the previous JJP moneymaker indicator, the same charges we are charging right now. So just 3,000 rupees for 30 days we are doing this service with automation. So I wish every traders to get access with our indicator. WhatsApp us on 7200 556 708. Thank you, traders.